Dancehall artist Busy Signal has waived his right to an extradition hearing to go to the United States to be tried for absconding bail. The dancehall artist had allegedly absconded bail and fled the United States. The Nagua Jail Again artist will be flown out within a month, according to his attorney K.D. Knight. Knight spoke to the Gleaner explaining the artist's decision.
The request for him to be tried on the offense with which he was charged some years ago is to come, and so since he can only be surrendered on what he is requested on at this stage, he took the decision to go. It means therefore that on his arrival in the United States he can only be tried for the offense of absconding bail.
Busy Signal, who appeared in the Corporate Area Resident Magistrates Court on May 24, was denied bail. The artist, whose real name is Glendale Gordon, was held by members of the Fugitive Apprehension Team at the Norman Manley International Airport on Monday, May 21. He had just arrived on a flight from the United Kingdom. Busy Signal was reportedly traveling under the name Rihanna Gordon. He is reportedly facing charges of possession of cocaine, conspiracy to possess cocaine, and distribution of cocaine.